Hello, what from dropping? Tenase, ahun kemle. Na wenya beche metan riding ho. Smooth, fully nyanya.
As what fraud then?
Missy, what from dropping? Menka ji wediban enfambra wana.
Dropping.
Menfa wo parcel enko ana menka jimbra wana.
Dropping.
Menka fa wo mofraba mbra wana.
Dropping.
Menka ji wo groceries embra wana.
Dropping.
Laundry, mwakwa bantam dodo. Kwana bia ewo whole Ghana. Go Play Store and App Store. Na download Droppin. DROPYN.
Dropping.
Not from within a minute. Na mo bohode.
Dropping.
Menso ya Ghana ha bebia. Ye juma ya sonko. What from Droppin? Masa ya what town. Chale moku you take Droppin.
Yo, Busanfo. Through telling time, brain at work. Ebe checha mu nyina. Ebe da mwasi. Say mwaji bre twan ebe do sam pepper so we. Say dey din ka catch them say ene yo interview bi ye ye guest ye Bible commando ye Bible commando no. Dey ye nyina twen komopen ene so ye san tue san e de afre no waba abeka ye san. Ti ye assembly kra no ye be call asem no so. Am say dey first one no ye di kan bisa no say ye ka say Bible commando when Bible commando ye bisa no pe Bible say now ye benya new followers na de nyina ti ebiom ye be san man sa akonya no na wachia na crofo no na wama ye ho nipa Bible commando ye de eye from there na afi na ya twa so ti open
manager
mo wakwaba
yenia sana bezis ana
nyewa muti say
oh wawulum nananu madum ne awon kaka ne edumadi
ayo nananu madum na sele medi kankan no ye ka se Bible commando when the Bible commando na ashefo na yem pikin from wa
answer the message made na some mechia etifo ina titiru Yepeni Abraham Dodu wo Australia nanani akọ ododiba 1 title kase na mdama no because oboy pa any dumedi ayedi ye chia sam penifoni na afa ye kasa Bible commando a Bible commando no enye median kasa ye de to me eye Emmanuel Ben Samuel just say Emmanuel the son of Samuel the entia ye fa be Emmanuel Ben Samuel obe kasa me ye jiwini den na ye fa be Emmanuel Ben Samuel wọ́n say bribi atwa me ko di jiwfo na chi kaka ana Emmanuel Ben Samuel na nkoye title bia me fire but me papa de Samuel na be Emmanuel Ben Samuel Bible commando no say the last me buy me ka kire bu me ko kire oluman bi Yankopon mienu e o Bible mu na o hwe be no de na wo Bible commando no the Bible commando no to me so aka be sin de nti Bible commando no me sesa enye
okay
ana woni ma yo wo sam kakra wu oluman na o de sa Bible commando no to me kwa waka baby din no na me de kai no
nti edi we de abeye japade a o de be kai sa papa we yo tiefo na hwefo Bible commando wa ma ye hu ni pakra say ka se Bible commando a de ntia ye friend Bible commando no enu na o de atu ye nim no na ye be call asem no so prekope enne nkomo a ye di no efa verse bia ewo etresem no mu eye the book of Micah chapter 4 the verse number 5 open say it is Micah 4:5 enu ne nkomo na ba be dem e ba di nne nti ye be bisa de di kan no ye be ma wakola na bi na wakai sa verse no na ye nyina ye ti asem kura ye de ewo ho ye free ho afi na yakoye ni
and the fancy okala nti Micah 4:5 kan brofo no we oba kan twin na be kan twin first we oba kan brofo Micah 4:5 ebusiafo am say ya so ma Bible command fancy okala yenti ni
na aman mu biara
ena nti ni nyame din
peja onika krama me
Micah 4:5 na aman mu biara
ena nti ni nyame din we nkyere mu bi na cha say oman no obia wa ni nyame din a onantim to say
na yandie
ya
bananti Ewrade nyame
na wo no Israelfo no na mo kyerɛ sɛ aman no mu biara ena nti ni nyame din na yandie ya bananti Ewrade Yankopon din bia na obi hwan for the benefit of the doubt, you know TP. On kind of phone.
Okay.
We are now.
Micah 4:5.
Micah 4:5.
Each nation
worships
and obey its own God.
It's okay. I know.
And one day the ebedi hu komone. They say amana mu biara enanti o ne nyame dim. Ananti sa kan mam bio.
Na amani mu biara. Enanti ne nyame dim. Na yende. Penalty Irade Nyakupu dimu da kwesi da.
Yo, Bible commando.
Opening.
Atwere ne se oman bia won enanti o ne nyame dim. Nokre.
Nokre. Once say Mobaka last interview. Nyame no ye church mu wa akwa kire say. Ye ka say obi wo nyame bia osoma a personal property and obi jitu me bia a personal property. But according to Micah 5:4, Micah 4:5, na kire say Israel for na akwaya nkoa. Na nkoa no mkoye no omunya nyame bi a oye Israel nyankopon na obeyi omo. Na saa nyame no wa ka kire mo say wa cheche enyame wa krem so no obo wiase wa cheche nyame ama wiase mu bia nti obi a wone de nti ha no na Israel for na ka say aman no mu bia la nyame cheche obi ade ama no nti obi ananti ne die mu no nso mo ye den omo nanti omo die mu pepepe na eno no ma Bible na ye no kwere say de Yesu no because baby ameka say nyame eye nimpa na ekreti nyame no say the Israel for ka say yankopon bi na ehie omo obeyi omo no say yankopon na mama mem ambetre ya say hey amama mu for me na me bo wiase ana me kwanyi me man Israel efi nkwaso mu say na kra Ghana na ye won nkwaso mu but enye nyame na bi nyame bi na be yi na ngom eye ya nananom ti na ye gi nananom di no nananom kwame nkroma mu no mo konkoden na mo gi Africa
David mayenti ade wiase
okay
say ka say nananom a eno na ye abosom ana say ye janom ye ka say nananom ase na say
good nananom eye ye forefathers
enam abosom ene onomo ye one more
bosom na me kire wu say eye personal property metuma ka say menji BBD dia meji di no you don't need evidence. I mean, that is my belief. When you believe something, doesn't mean it is true. For example, I mean, 1,000 Ghana. 1,000 Ghana na menya no. Me jidi say, to me be na abu amena obi 1,000 Ghana na ma mia. And to me from be dia dance yanchero. Nti jidie. That is why we say believe in yourself. Nti enyame bi na yeka wase no. Personal property. Nti Israel yankopon. Israel for they say eyomo dia. Eyomo dia, that means it is for them and it is true in the Bible. Into omo tro say nyame no obi awane de no omo de ni Israel yankopon to omo nantini dim into wo a wo hwe me so say wo so pe wo yankopon na wo nantini dim
anti chese Israel fo mo nyame Congo fo so
obi awane de
chese Arab fo so mo nyame
obi awane nyame
na Israel fo mo nyame no onim ne di
Israel fo omo nyame no na omo friend Yahweh no
na Arab fo de ne
no omo friend Allah
nti Ghana fo mo nyame
Ghana fo what say Ghana for the no yankra amfa to book man and na me be catch say Ghana nyame afa na kan nyame a you will doubt it because yankra amfa to book amfa tetenyan but essence say personal property nti obiara wa nyame a wo den ogi ni di obi de o say obi de antoadi obi de akramadi obi di wedi obiara ne de a onantim
na me bisa say chese Ghana for so mo nyame
Ghana for ye wo nyame
nti nyame no o
na me ka say ya ka say nyame a enya agie bi particular bi e wo bebi a wo kofa aba say Ghana for nyame your friend say what say personal property intimate we mi wo mi nyame I have my God
obey they all can meti wasia the verse no verse na ye kan sisia no okala pacho sa my verse na bi na ye mpiki bibi afri hanu na ye kai ahwefo na tiefo nyina se ene interview we inclusive interview nti yebema wakonya otia say yebema wakonya na wo so wafre na wakire wadwen awodwumede no so live otia say keep bringing your comment yebeka ne nyina e de amamo dwumede so koso our YouTube through Telling Time TV and Bible Commando the first koso our YouTube ti over subscribe to Truth Telling Time TV our YouTube na wa subscribe to Bible Commando the first our YouTube koso wo ho otia say ahanti keep bringing your comment. Yebenya kunya na yakane nyina e de amamu. Yebabie phone lines no wafre no so wa kire wadwen e wo so. Okala ma membra mo nche.
Mika 45.
Mika 45.
Na amanu mu biara e nante ne nyame din.
Okay.
Na yende ye benanti irade nyankopɔ din mu de akwesi daadaa.
Good.
Nti ha no metia se oman bia nante e wo na nyame. Jese nyame baako, oman baako. Nyame baako, oman baako. Nti se Israel fo omo nyame. Arab fo omo nyame a ene Ghana fo so omo nyame na we.
This is when we say
nko medical bisa say address mo na no kria na
ana me say address am no enye nyankopɔ bia na ka so mo ntro but omo mo tro no omo ye intelligent nti omo de nsam bi hihye ma wo be hu ni sasa asam we die no kore Bible no ye jitum sa Bible ye no kore na so man bia wa nyame na wo ye Kristoni na se ye jitum sa kro bia wa nyame na wo so Israel nyankopɔ wo so Arab nyankopɔ a wati simple. Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 18. Can you mention?
Deuteronomy 4:18.
Deuteronomy 4:18.
Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 18.
On can 18.
4:18.
Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 18.
Okay.
Can
I say ade biara a ewia fumusa so.
Nti aha no, okay verse 1 eba na omo na about say Israel for no. Momo nso me yemi bia nka ho. Den tell momo nso me yemi bia nka ho. I check egwase o kan no munti.
I say ade biara ewia fumusa so.
Ade biara a ewia fom nsa so.
Apata biara ewo nsuom.
Apata biara ewo nsuom.
Asase asensa so.
Asase asensa so.
Na wa ma we ni so ankyere osoro.
Na wa ma we ni so ankyere osoro.
Anhwe ewia.
Anhwe ewia.
Ne osrane.
Ene osrane.
Ne ensoroma.
Ne ensoroma.
Osoro asafu nyina.
Esoro asafu nyina.
Na antwewo ankosole wan.
Na antwe wo Israel ni because wo Israel ni wo de ne yawe. Ye de yawe na ama. Antwe ankosole wan.
Ama wansom wan.
Ama wansom wan.
No me Awurade Onyankopɔn achicha ma ewia se nyina.
Eno ye niam a Awurade Nyankopɔn wachicha ma ewia se nyina. Amanamani nyina. Nta amanamani nyina no. Nyankopɔn wachicha ewia mu. Wiase niam e de amayen. Ma me kire wade bi. Aya ye nana no, aya sa niam na yesi omoti. Wo se ye nana no obi tumi dia na owo gidie bi se dia ne ye bibi ma no. Nti be se wa ye dia ne special. Ensuo bi sasa na me nyina Bible mu Nyankopɔn se wachicha ma ye se ye nso. Nti sa me so ma de na dey ti no be kese deti. You see where the problem lies? Once the Bible say enyo wani biara na nsom no enye we na nsom no enye we na nsom no sa ndla no enchichiri wiase na Israel for no mo yawe but wiase niama ndua na tumi no ye dia ya chicha manyen until last make tell say the last interview we had I think some make tell say sa niama no eno na e benefiting that is why we
na akwakọ say Israel for mo nyame baako
yes
but amanaman ne de ye wo awia na we chese Ghana nyame no it is either awia na nsoma na we
yeah according to verse no so verse dey judge say no class na person kire because Bible na verse na say wa chicha sa na mani na de amanyen
no kre
yeah nti we say and make sure say sa na ma no omo deceive yan personal property when you believe something me and me did say e dwe we na ko ba
nti they tell me bisa question no say ka say your personal property you can say personal property say Ghana as oman Ghana as a nation Ghana doesn't have a god as a national god
no there is nothing like national god any baby it was invented so national god national god it was invented but when say your teachings now you were a point of view and there was Christian point of view, there was Islamic point of view. Into the Bible no so said the Mika 5:4 kase Bible ya share to and then ya Bible no to say Yankopon asama. Yankopon asama na kire say Mika 4:5 or say aman no mu biara and antini nyame di na Israel for de omba nanti Awurade Yankopon di. Na just say nyame no wa cheche obiana ne de into obiana antini di no mo so mo ye de. And it is true according to the Bible. But logically we are say nobody has seen God before. Nyankopon cheche amanamana me wiase no Israel for na eka se Nyankopon cheche amanamana de ma wiase adenti ne Nyankopon no Israel for kasa wiye no wan ba ma memu na wan ba kan kire yeso ye de ne awia ye de ne nsuo sanka Ghana ye behu se ye de ne tilapia se ne wo nsuo man de behu
sanka yeso ye de ne tilapia a wo nsuo man kai behu ahwefo se de di kanka no wo so be kire wadwen e wo dwumedie we so live wo ti ase wo be kire wadwen enne ye Bible commando e na be kai sa ye nyine twetwe nkomo nti according to open ina chese Nyankopon Israel for no say Nyankopon afa wo mo ana enye sa no ka kire Israel for no pa kire say Nyankopon afa wo mo ana oye wo mo nyame nti se san po eye nukre a ene de san nyame na onka kire yen so de eye ana so ye nyame no onka kire say wafa ye so
yes
se meti da say
sana so ko
se nti am se medical bisa say because there are a lot of controversies around this verse nti da metu me san efre wo ne de empese meti ase ne say Samika 4 verse 5 for nakasa so de wo hono no eye nukre na enye nukre a then you see other way around now de nti me san tomo eye nukre sa verse no
sa verse no mom say me kasa verse no eye nukre a it will be something else later me can you mom say me medical mo what you say enyame eye personal property into obia enyame eye personal property into obia e wone de what I say into obia wone de no say me wo me de Ghana for wone Togo for wo me de we wone de obia wone de it is true but the problem is Micah 4:5 no the problem we have here is say omo say Nyankopon eye Israel for Nyankopon into obia 19 di mu adenti na sesa be the Bible ba yade Quran ba no mbaka kire yen say yen kogindi wa bra Nyankopon achecha ade na ma obia na ne de this is where the problem is
just say the givers of the Bible and as Israel for no and as woman the Bible no bre no just say they want us to follow a different God and live
for them to deceive us.
Okay, so now the point is based on God here. Just say and you be just say Ghana wona nyame and as what say your personal property
it is true
nti enye national we don't have national God
national God bia wo be say Ghana ye Nyankopon bi nti ye Ghana Nyankopon bi ana wa atena wa be sisa bere na Ghana ye say David is not like that your personal property nti ye creative God we have to when you invest what you say
yeah na creative God na God na creative
when you invent a God when you invent a God, you will serve that God. Shall the once last interview make tell say, ya boss na omo na ye ji omudino. Amo na mo protecting eh na me be man. Nti say me, fa me invent a God. Na me invent God say, me wanyame bi a also me wanyame bi o ye bi mama. Sa nyame na me invent no. Me mbom na me kire say, nyame si me yese ba no, nyame si me yese ba no, nyame si me yese ba no. Say the Israel for Nyankopon no say, mo ye we ye we ya ntise Nyankopon bia na eka Israel for no mo say Nyankopon say nti sa me invent Nyankopon a me so sa na meka say Nyankopon say nti nyame ye gidi no nti me I believe something me personal property
nkomo na no ya yedi
no be yedi
ye invent God na ya som no sisi aye nipa na invent God
aya nipa na invent God
na when the boy say
when say we are no once there is a creation ade bi eniwa obehu say eno an ebae ade bi obi no so ye that is why I doubt says Nyankopon wo okra so obi na ye eye yenim which way minimum maame but I know say you have a mother I know you have a mother but I don't know your mother and we ask no yenim say tumi bi na ye eye but yenim tumi no nti me jimi nya bi dia me ntumi kan bekele bi sa me Nyankopon no obo wi ase eye me na me invent me nya me
Ashwefo me no se mo hwe na mumbua with mo contribution ye na ye invent God
we invented God
so after we were in the world ye ba we are saved you know na ye invent God
let me teach
you na ye sansum no
how you invent God for say e bia ma ba we hu yan say me Ghana ha no me wondua me we for me to become powerful what should I do me am edi kan wa ha no I will tell you things e bet ma ba say e bi no kore e bet ma ba say e bi ya no kore na me da ba for say me ti asase bi so na wa ba na wo pe bi atena wo ba ya na me ka kire asase we me na e de ma me because you were not there you have to believe wo be jedi nti say no kro wonni nti me ba me ka kire say aboso me na ye jidi no e personal property nti wo ji bibi dia won tumi mfa sa ade no adanse ye den emba nti me invent God say me catch e bia wo be yin ma catch say me wanyame bi me yame no embrace the wahihya ma me nti say wo this one what is the evidence
nti wo chese sa nyame no wo na wa invent no
I mean invent simple nti that is why I said me God na me personal property
me problem is here say nyame ye na ye invert nyame na wo sen gidi say eye obi ne bo wiase na de obo wiase no eye nipa ne bo wiase na obo o invert nyame ne ka ho ana nyame ne bo wiase ansa na nipa ba invert sa nyame no
ya tumi na ebo wiase no ye nim ya na ya fra nyame ana ye nim say tumi bi na di wiase na baaye nti tumi no di wiase na baaye no ebe ye na tumi na di wiase na baaye ni ye Ghana ye to body ye obo ma ye French de ye we de it is impossible nti at the moment somebody will tell you say wait no it is never true nti na make sure say for the best on the topic no based on the topic no Micah 4:5 Bible na o tell me person be we ko me bo we ko dam sisi assembly it topic no nti me say topic no for me to analyze the topic no ye jintum say Bible na Yankopon asam say ye jintum say Bible na Yankopon asam a Bible na kire say Yankopon wabo we ase na wacheche nyame ni bi dai de da me Yankopon so ye ba ko pe why dem also cheche nyame ni bi san de de me there is a problem but for the sake of maybe a Christian ni bi hwen maybe a Kremoni bi hwen nti ade no say oti ase from the Christian view what I said answer na waje ye de say me de say God a personal property nobody know any God obi ani Yankopon biara obo wiase nobody knows him but we know say there is some power that's there is a source of this universe ye nim nipa kono ana particular person ye nim so ye nipa so ya boy so you can ye nim.
Let's move forward from this question.
Okay.
See, just say what you say amandi anase ye ka say nyame a ye personal property obia won de wa woni bi no enye wo hye
wo na woni bia enye wo hye na even
na enye wo hye so bi
obi ni ka how do you know
ejinanwa no so
personal property so me ni yame how do you know say me ni yame because me wanyame kora na media enye wo dia
but you busom bi organa ha ye bomodin amafo motutu kwan from baby e call those places na way
good itina ese say
said the same thing Israel so amafo free Ghana ha e call Jerusalem so moko bompa ye e wo weli wono
one of the most intelligent question and we be sabe shade so obi ka cha say men some obi nyame a we deceive you a very big deception then tell me kasa when say you Ghana ha you see when you go to Rome do what you don't do into Israel for na Yankopon twi so no my covenant ni bo o say we obi na wu free ha na wo kopia asase no so a ya den di omomra no so say the omoya no yesala wo kan Numbers 15:15 na ehso what I say eno na nchen into me movie director na me sometimes you come be me ko movie a kro ne ba kwa no omo wagidie bi for omo abosom say ebia yankwa asa de bi wo tumi nka say wo wonje sa Yankopon omo nyame ni ndi nti wo kwa wo be call no at that moment we go be sa asase no so you have to do what they do you say yankwa you gunsa nti sometimes you ko movie na yankwa asasa permission na you twa movie na be say akom aties nipa no so na yakofa yakopro mu anya na yakoba na mande na opro mu ahwehwe mu say sa be de yanko nti na yakowa asasa no esi no no ngwa ko ya pa omu ya pa na akom na ati efi source of power omu no mu nim say de te omu personal property nti wo ko bi krom na say kro no wo na wo de ni die e de ma kro no mu penifo na wo ji okro mu wo say de omu gidie ti bia wo ji tuma bosum bi kwa okro no mu wo ana tumi bi wa kro mu sa tumi na say de protect wo nimpa na wo ya wo nti Israel for according to Bible omo nyane fi Yankopon chi kwa nkoso Yankopon foforo mo anto omo dwane fi ala omo dwane fi Yankopon yawe omo dwane fi ne omo say Yankopon we oye wiki
omo ja Bible Yankopon ho akosum
me say akosum
ye benya sa evidence
okay Isaiah 44 sa quotation we open me say o ma bere
meba
me chiche
meba
Isaiah 44 verse number 1 can 1 to 4
Isaiah
44
opeyina say adu bebe Israel for mo dwane ja mo Yankopon no a eye Yahweh a mo gidi se no no boso na asase no o mo dwane ja no ekosum osoro nyama diama ya Bible ne chese wa checha ban yen o mu say ya de no won faso mo besum bi ma buo mo esu o mu ye ma ka so mu nja nkwa Yankopon che o ka so no yanko my verse no
can you verse 4 to 6 can Isaiah 44 4 to 6 we are start to 11 can
Isaiah 44
verse number 4 verses number 4 to 6
osana one fe murantam
open 44 verse 4
verse 4
na wafefe wura ntem
sɛ nsunuwa nua
sɛ nsunu wandu ya
nsutene so
ensutire so
wei bɛse sɛ me awurade deɛ
Jeremiah 44 verse now can say Jeremiah 44 Isaiah 44 verse
Jeremiah 44 the verse number
4
ɔsɛ na mesoma me nkoa edifo no nyinaa
very good nti saa time no na Israel for no ɔmo som abosom nti ɔsoma no nkoa edifo no nyinaa
ɛma wɔ ba mo nkyɛn
ɛma wɔ ba Israel for no nkyɛn
tua nyima mesoma ama
ɔtua nyima mesoma sɛ
monyɛ akyiwade
ma monyɛ akyiwade bɛ na ɔmo yɛ ne nyinaa gbase ɔka no mu ti
a ɛyɛ metane yi bi nanso wantie
Israel for no wɔyɛ de
ɔmo ntie
to so
na wambra wɔn aso ase
na wambra wɔn aso ase
sɛ wɔbɛsane efiri wɔn bɔne
sɛ wɔbɛsane efiri wɔn bɔne ho bɔne kɔnɔ bɛkyerɛ kan
na wɔrenhyi nduham ɛmma enyame foforɔ
sɛ wɔrenhyi nduham ɛmma enyame foforɔ
ɛna m'ani bere ne m'ebufuhyeɛ
nti Israel for no ɔmo akɔ hyɛ nduham ama nyame foforɔ nti Nyankopɔn ne buafu nebufu hye ne nibire hye gu ye to aso
na edare yi den krom
nti nebufu no edare yi den krom
ene Jerusalem bro ne so
ene Jerusalem emro no so
ema ne dane asasefo
dane asasefo
ne amafo sane etie
nti ne buafu o ma kwaso yemfo no buafu asase no verse 11 to aso bla
verse number 11 and say asaf Ewurade
nti saa de na makoye nti sa asaf Ewurade
Israel Yakobon ni
si ni
she me di meni masam
we mini Israel for no because of o ma kwaso yemfo ti kan
na esimu bone na
yuda nyina
osna yuda nyina ase ahye
na oba mini o ba shi yuda fo ni na ase because of nyame foforo ma kwaso no kan
na mafa yuda nkae
a
wode wonini atoso
just Israel for no o mu ni say because of David promise that one so nti say ya shi o mu ase kra David promise nti kakra na so de obeyom kan
say wobaba mizuma asase so
say oba san ba mizuma asase so
abaye ho awowo
no
mama wo nyina asa
oba mo nyina asa
mizum asase so
ana obeto obekum mo nyina to aso
afna ne ekuminti
obewie san
efri ekuma so
ani
akwesi okese so
obekum mo nyina fita akwa akwesi openi so obekum obi ato aso
afna ne ekom anu
ana obewu
na wadane ntankade na ahudwiride ene nnome
ana ahudwiride ene nnome just ose o mokra because of aboso so kan
na metwe wona watete mizuma asase so wonyina aso se da mede afna ekom ni owuyade ebetwe Jerusalem aso no
because of abosumsum no bosum wo makoso nyame foforo punishment Yakobon hyehyɛ amon to aso
osna yuda nkai a wakɔ mizuma akoya wo
yuda nkai no wakɔ mizuma akoya wo no
emu biara remfiri mu anase
omu biara remfiri mu anase orenka obeje omu nyina to aso
na wasane aba yuda asase so
nti gofo na te ye no kan wase
ose ana embalama woni mi se
nti mbalama woni mi se
wona yero no hyehyɛ edu no
se omo na wo ya sa de no nti mbalama woni mi se wo yero no hyehyɛ edu ma eme foforo ni nyina
ene mba wogine gya woni nyina
ene mba na wogine gya woni nyina
asafo kase na ɔma na wate Patros mizuma asase so ni nyina Jeremiah say asama awolaka akyere yen
abosomsom na ya som na Yankopɔn som na difo Jeremiah so ba kan kyere yen
asama awolaka akyere yen ewo Ewurade din mu yeli ntie
anya de de beti da to so
nemo ya ba bibi biara efri yen
ye hu se nyam esoro so ma de so ma ye wotwa yen nti ye be fri yen no na ye be ye
sa ya ba hye eduham ade ama osoro hima no ye hwie efiesa
na yehwie san
ama no sadia yen ejanom yan ayefo ene yan asafo yen yoye no Yuda nkuro ene Jerusalem mbro no so a eduane memmen
omo som abosom no eduane memmen omo
na yediye na yehu no boni biara
no omo som abosom no problem bia amba omo so twaso
na every bla ye jan osoro hima
da omo baka kire say abosom so menye ya nananom ene ye benefo ne yanfo ye ministers ne ye president ye jai tumi na chidi no
ye jai eduhom hye
ene
efiese fi
ene ensa ye kuma ya nananom ye jai ya no
ade nyina aboyen
hwe abusiafo ahaye True Telling Time TV our YouTube True Telling Time TV our YouTube ena opeya motina kan eye Bible Commando the first ana Bible Commando the first our YouTube nanka na motie sisia our True Telling Time so na easy Yes, Israel for omoja omonyami eye Yahweh. According to Judaism, eye Yahweh no. Omoja ngo ho ekosom bosom. Nyankopon na according to Bible, Nyankopon na suma odi for Jeremiah say, enko paniki ana enko ka de wo ho twa Israel for we mu because of abosomsom nti no. Enko ka kire oman say dabi. Anya de ombetie. Verse we me santie ne bio. But yebeda yen ho aba. Obi maso ya say ene de ye program we. Ti yebefa boafrom katwa kakra ye dan ho aba abusuam twen ye basisia verse we ye besa kan bio na ye nyina na ya sua de from there na ya move on ye basisia laptop and accessories what you see anything about computer anything about laptop no o contact Geologel Solution osamba kama they do omo delay in hardware and software hardware and software sana de anete. They repair, unlocking, repairing, selling of the laptop, brand new. They open yes, anything about computer, anything at all about computer. Offer Geologel Solution. Number na good screen also no. Offer bakona offer. Nobody come. You get your things at affordable price. What you see? You get things computer accessories, everything at affordable price. Auntie, friend number no. We number ne your friends him. Ghana no Ghana code na kam. Auntie +233 245182 and I say +233 555 me bon number ne bio +233 245182 and I say +233 558502 Geologel Solution. Anything about computer offer one osamba kama na afi bibia akoye. Now we product of CSF what you say product of CSF te anuso o contact osama kabi kama na we yuzu o za identity te offer open t-shirt. You have t-shirt, they have how do you call it, product in a good screen also no product in a good screen also no. So you have wristband enu bi no pair offer nipa over contacting on the number and or Yusuf or screen also kama 054 3215 open wristband t-shirt and a cap osamba kama bakuna common sense family leader na wa hye no Abraham Bimoche o say F15 kama no the Joe swag so dey ofe ya Joe swag o say identity ti ani what you say yo abusuafo yebeda se wanya botre etwen yeda ye ho aba nkomo yedi ne agina Micah chapter 4 the verse number 5 I say oman bia won nyame nti enuna oman bia won nyame. Each nation has its own God and as obeys and worship its own God. Enuna ye kire mo ana open aba my verse bia e kire say Israel for no bedu bebimpo a omokosom bosom and as nyame foforo bi apart from Yahweh ye nyina yinim say enu ene ye Israel for mo nyame no sa Judah for and as Israel for no omokosom nyame foforo bi omonienje to the extent say Yesuma odi for Jeremiah Jeremiah say onko ma omo woni no the people say enye dia omo be free sa bosom nachi abadi Israel Nyankopon nachi bebe say instant verse na bio ansa na ma question bia na mabisa nti
verse wo say what say yedi kan Canada nti am say obi obehwe video no say start verse 15 na sha asem mo kan tama odi for Jeremiah ba ya no asem mo kan ni verse 15 me pese mo obi ati ase say wo gidie o krom wo tumi bi wo krom a wo gini dia ginidi se wo tu kwan ko obi krom na gidie bi so wa wo tumi gi sa gidie ni di because of wa ko krom wo bani bi enim wo ko krom bi na ka to say ade we echi wade a memfa wo Jesus ana nko mi ni obi a waji wa kwaji se chi ya ko krom bi so akobodam da kan na bi aja Jeremiah 44:15
ɔse ɛna mbarama a wɔnim sɛ
ɛna mbarama a wɔnim sɛ
wɔn ɛyɛnom hyehyɛ aduam
wɔn yɛrenom ɛhyehyɛ aduam
ɛma enyame foforɔ no
ɛma enyame foforɔ no nyinaa
ɛne mba wɔgyina wɔn nyinaa
ɛne mba na wɔgyina wɔn nyinaa asafo kaseɛ
na ɔman a wɔte Patros
ɛne ɔman a wɔte Patros
Misrim asase no nyinaa
Misrim asase no nyinaa so
ebua Yeremia sɛ asɛm a wɔka kyerɛ yɛn
Jeremia asɛm a wɔka kyerɛ yɛn sɛ Nyankopɔn sɛ yɛn gyae aduam na yɛhyɛ ma enyame foforɔ no
ɛwɔ Awurade din mu
yɛne ntie ɛnyɛ ade a yɛbɛtie
na mmom yɛbɛyɛ bibi biara
yɛhu sɛ abosom yɛsom ma yɛn tɔ yɛn deɛ ɔmoa na yɛbɛsom kan
sɛ yɛbɛhye aduam ama ɔsoro hema no
yɛbɛhye aduam ama ɔsoro hema no
na yɛhwie aduesa ama no
na yɛhwie ahwiesa ama no
sɛdeɛ yɛn ɛne yɛn agyanom
sɛdeɛ yɛn ɛne yɛn agyanom
yɛn ayɛfo
ɛne yɛn anyɔmfo
ɛne yɛn asafo nyine
yɛ
Yuda nkuro
ɛne
Yerusalem mmorɔ no soɔ a aduane memee yɛn
a yɛsom abosom no yɛhye aduam ɛne yɛhye ahwiesa ma yɛn nananom faase no wobisa panyin bi a ɔbɛka kyerɛw taa ma mu gu nsa ɛbobɔ afadeɛ ma enyame no na Ghana yɛn wo tɔ yɛn kyɛn dɛ kan
ɔse a aduane memee yɛn na yɛdi yie na yɛnhu no bɔne biara no na ɛfiri bere a yɛgyae ɔsoro hema
ɛfiri bere a yɛstate sɛ yɛsesɛ yɛkɔɔkya yɛgyae yɛn ntade hyɛ yɛgyae yɛ kasa yɛgyae sɛ yɛbɛgu nsa yɛgyae sɛ yɛbɛnua aduane apetepete sɛda nkrafo yɛ pɛpɛlepɛpɛle na nneɛma no sɛda yɛgyae no
yɛgyae aduam hye
ɛne
ahwiesa hwie no ade nyinaa abɔ yɛn
yɛfrɛ libation anaa ehwiensa libation yɛgyae ade nyinaa abɔ Ghana toaso
ɔse ɛna afena ne ɛkɔm
ɛna ɔhaw ɛna bɛbrɛsɛ
awie nyame yi
ɛna ewie nyame ɔmo gyae aduam no hyɛ na ɔmo brɛ no nti nyɛ ade a ɔmo bɛgyae ɔmo mu sɛ Nyankopɔn na ɔwɔ Bible mu na ɔno kɔ yi ɔmo no kɔ useless because it is true ɔmo di wɔkan ba ase a ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo didi menyan ma ɔmo kunu mu mbɔ ɔmo akɔnma kora ɔmo tumi yɛ aduane de mo ɛna Israelfoɔ ɛkɔm tumi di ɔmo ɛmo Moses kɔ su kɔ pa kyɛ wansa na aduane which father was sit there sɛ na mɛ nkɔm de no ɔmo bɛbi sɛ aduane sa ɔmo aduane
open nkɔmɔ no ɛyɛ de ba mama bisa wo deɛ yɛkan free Bible na mu ti we betumi agyi di sɛ yɛngyi tum sɛ deɛ nkrɔfo mu ka no yɛ no korɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔso mbo so masio mo ye
wɔm sɛ ɔmo de Bible bae no abrɔfo de Bible bae no na saa deɛ we yɛyɛ dada o nti yɛ we na baba yɛhu sɛ yɛ no korɛ we knew wɔtua wɔnim sɛ yɛ nana no ɔmo ɔma de ɔmo yɛ ani nti Bible no na ɛbɛkyerɛ yɛ sɛ saa deɛ we yɛngyae Bible na ɛbɛkyerɛ yɛ sɛ saa deɛ we yɛngyae ne yɛkenkan Bible no ne yɛkɔn wɔ biribi sɛ adeɛ no yɛ a Bible no sɛ yɛkɔn wɔ biribi sɛ yɛngyae Bible na yɛ ɔtorofo because no korɛ ntumi yɛ mmienu Bible sɛ mɛmfo obi yere ɛnyɛ na Nyankopɔn aba bɛfo obi yere ɛwɔ Bible ma it is nonsense fato bibi na bɔ bra simple
ɛno Nigeria forces ɔno na ɔtumi yɛ deɛ ɔpɛ
Nyankopɔn wɔka Genesis ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔbɔ nipa ɛwɔ ne suban so sɛ ne nsa so Genesis 2:7 ɔbɔ nipa wɔ ne suban so sɛ ne nsa so sɛ ne Nyankopɔn teɛ no saa na ɔbɔ me Deuteronomy 30:15 ɔse ɔde papa ɛne bɔne esi wɔ anim deɛ wopɛ no yɛdɛn tusu ɔno Nyankopɔn ɔse papa ne bɔne nyinaa efiri ɔno na me nipa ne me na ɔbɔ me ne suban so ne nsa so no me ni freedom a me de bɛyɛ deɛ mepɛ
wakyerɛ mu sɛ wokɔ krɔfo so sɛ deɛ twerɛ sɛ mu ne Jeremiah 34 verse 4 to 15 very good nti sɛ Ghanafoɔ yɛkora sika dodo ɛkɔ Israel sɛ yɛkɔ Jerusalem the Wailing Wall anaasɛ the Western Wall sɛ yɛkɔbɔ mpaeɛ ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛayɛ bɔne
it is when we say wo free a na wo waste money na wo kɔ Jerusalem sɛ wo kɔbɔ mpaeɛ it is useless
adentia
deɛ useless ni when we say my culture say when you believe something it is personal property very good
and
what time of
money yeso ye free ha kɔ Jerusalem kɔbɔ mpaeɛ no yeso ye gidi tumi ɛwɔ hɔ no yeso ye gidi
tumi na wo no yeso wo gidi but see how the thing is going to affect you tumi na bi ni Ghana
David o kan samin ti wase because Israel force si mo koso mbosoma esi omo ye no mo onyame omo yawe dada but abadu bebi no se no oso mo upgrade sa omo backbone no e no mo koso mbosom e de ka yawe ho nti yeso ye onyame o Ghana e na mo se no nyame no ebi da so Saudi Arabia ye Mecca ebi so da e wo Israel ti ye ko ho e de konya kakra bi e de ka Ghana de no ho a se enye the same thing
see how useless it is when we say Israel Yankopon no ni wada dada e no mo afiri n'echi akosom nyame foforo bi nyame foforo no makosom no mo di yie na wo firi ha Now we call Israel now na mbampo omudwane free mechira. What do you want to tell me? Na mbano omudi mechira ko omudwane anza na omudi akobe difference na go na wo na meni. E komba du wo mu. Israel ngopon.
Say Ghana so say enye nyina na edi Ghana nyame naji.
Ana mechira say nyame a personal property. These books were invented. Yana na no. Jibia na omudi ku nsa no. No omudi.
This book was invented. Ebusuam baby I do know ye kan am say message there. Ensheda enye bebresa. Ti Paul Ajay say good afternoon. Yo ye cheo. Ena ye pen Avrabi Moshe. Also or share mo crying and I say he's appealing to everybody to share this message for the message to go far. Ti ida say acronym maker, yeah, and also what the church for was a great guest. Until Obo, a guest number so, and a truth telling time fire from brother Soa, and Mickey Ofori, and they are seminal. I told us something the Okani and I said, on Peso Weka Bibia. She was and on Nuclear a nice topic, and a year and neck tea, a work so, and also appeal to Bia say. On Fred Ebusian baby, I don't know, you may be 4 lines, no. What person, friend, no contributing, no. Over to me, Fred, no contributing live, what you say. So, over Fred, our WhatsApp call, over friend, normal caller. You be, I'm a quaint, now also what contributing live, our Jumediano. So, Mickey K was a good one, guys. Yo, thank you. Tebe, no. Hey. Baby, you know what me Afre and as I was happy. Our number na that screen so no I 0 I plus 233 54123 2463 plus 233 54123 2463. Ofre sa number na yedin komo. Ti ebusuam. Mema ochen. No say it is useless.
What is it? Say Israel for no we number no. No. Fane say oh papa. Now oh papa e come no. Na we gade fu papa nchen. Na wa ba me papa nchen papa mu aduane a. What is the essence in it? Say me call papa say me go aduane. Oh the ban kwa ma me na me go. Oh say ya no. Oh me ya friends. Ana oh papa o say mu aduane. Oh papa mu aduane. Oh papa chene kom. Ana wo ba me nchen a. Essence madam fu no nti. Na me papa mu aduane. Me ma hwade say me call papa go aduane. Na wo the ban ko fi.
I will say, so the my yaman paper until I'm person of doing
it. What kind of sin? And our papa say, fact, I'm a middle ground. So by your opinion, first time you feed the person, now walk on. Who feed you know, open a shell can walk on. Israel for ya can determine me, you for a year can Jeremiah for he rejected them at all.
It is Sicilian about Sicilian. What kind of useless God is it? Oh, could you scripture at the back of point we know now? Timothy says, na Africa. Say the waji tum sisi say to me our Africa no South Africa to me no omo to me na Israel for de no eyepe and Israel for de no esunti Africa de no.
Well say you can't you need instruments by the measure quantity of to me but ya de addition ne enema ne yebi hu hawa enema ti shade when we say Africa we are more powerful than every nation on this planet. Do you know why?
O say yintimi measure o but after we say more powerful.
Do you know why? Africa your resources are other countries in omuni. That's what makes us powerful. And yet you can say before to maybe before to me and your poor na and what they want. It's because of what we have. Your gold, your diamond, especially Ghana. Your gold, your diamond, your master you're powerful. And two person say yankopon wo US yankopon powerful China yankopon.
Oh enyen na yeka onjin to say the nteme bisa say to me bi wa Africa and to me bi e wo ablotri Israel and as Saudi Arabia den because assembly or tresem nam menyanka ye kom kakra.
Okay.
Deuteronomy chapter 7 verse 1 to 5 okala buan kakra which is verse no na ye share there. Prince Charles say yes, the Bible and the Quran was invented. That is why China and Japan did not accept it. Yo yedase eno wa dwenchire no nti obetimi afre no wa contribute life e wa dwumede Deuteronomy chapter 7 verse 1. Obetimi afre no wa contribute live or jumede no so. Obeso ofre normal call and say WhatsApp number no ene wo pin color na mo e wo screen no so no. Obetimi afre no wa contribute. O kala ma ba wo nchen.
Deuteronomy 7:1.
Yeah.
Ose wone amanamanu mufo emfa yanko.
We ye tama according to First Samuel say Israel from free Egypt. Ko Canaan asase no so no. Yenkwe.
Say Ewurade yen Yakopon. E de udru asase a wolokọ akọfa no so. Na pam amanamanu pin efi woni. Hetifo, ne Gagasifo, ene Amorifo, ne Canaanfo, ne Perisifo, ene Yerifo, ne Yebusifo. Ambani so na wodoso na wo hone ye ese ne wo. Na Ewurade wonya akọpọ yi wan ma. Ama wokum wana. Ene asa wan pasa. Mane wana mpam na unwan mobo. Na ene woni ndi ayewale. Mfa obaba emene ba. Eso enye ne baba ama oba awale. Efise obada ne oba eni efimechi. Na wasum enyam foforo na Ewurade bu efumu. Na wasa wontem. Na mom se munye woni. Mumbibiri won afọlọbuchia. Na mumbu won abodum. Na mutwitwa won abosompo ndu. Na mfa oja ehye won ahoni.
Okay.
Manager.
So we could do assassin so Israel for once they should destroy the altar and as omoboso masa nyama Jebusites for Perisi for the almost assassin so no Israel for awo nyame tumi a omokutanti no on fan say sa nyama ne nyina ampa so e say ampa Israel for 1948 and as Israel for moko je assassin na you say your friend Israel na e Canaan but and your friend Israel say the yaka wan say abem.
Okay, first thing 1948 Bible no matter. Bible like I said in 1471. Israel was so do 1948 what makes the Bible then the Bible here according to
analogy we man tia
analogy me say Bible abrofo buy no mo call no say the Bible no buy from 1471 to me say 1480 some that way from 1471 to 1480 that way na Bible no be Africa
yeah
and the Israel for no so 1947 was ayen no mebu asase so
and they tune the Israel
and they tune the Israel into where kira was say asem we plenty
there is as Bible na ya tro da sana ile bre
into that time na omo ba no omo ba bebu asase no so no say na wode to kwade ba into ya tira asem we da ansa na nkofo ne ba
yeah
what made what must you made you say 1471 and 1948 they were never first
71 and 48
they were never first
48 never 71 by
1471 and
1471
never first
yeah
according to Bible we just asem na esi mo matro e de aba 1471 after 1948 after the year
there be the make can say 1948 and ye two ahone di Israel but assassin ye Canaan assassin I say Gold Coast and Ghana
the question is say just one way powerful no more to be
this enemy be so
that is why I'm saying it was invented mama tell again
nti asemo na nsi
nsi ni
o man je assassin
no it is never true assassin
nti Jebusites for more
Jebusites for
and Perisi for na
omo
be say
trace the history and see say Krobi Tinawe from Jebusite. Never judging to Shadia. Well say according to verse just say Israel from Yankopoma on mobile. So Kroma come up 7 on Meko. It is impossible. Well so a Bible say Yankopo the Israel unity or Omodo Berman and Naman and Modi. Mepacha Kroma come up 7. Satam na Israel for Nankaso Mobile. According to Bible, Yokuma can person. I can just want to call it no better assassin. So, myself, one you come in for 7 nana. Assassin, I can never to be able to do.
Debbie.
Oh, Debbie saying, never said I do promise land.
We say, Okowa, Ebema, we know because according to Bible now, I touch us a nipa two no, and ye nipa two, say the Mokan. But these two people no. Are the people who joined the journey from Egypt to Canaan. Almost 603,000 anyway. But umwa ye mu free Egypt no. Aye mienu pe aye Joshua and Caleb. But ye wo wo kwan so. Those who left Egypt there but people were born in the 40 years of Exodus no.
including
One Joshua Lidi Omoko na teacher one na boy.
40 years no be do assassins. Do what?
Asemo.
What's it? Some of us make the 15 impact. Your first time.
Greatest family, kwa 44. Or say greatest family. Yo, Joso.
Junior, into Ghana some way. Now what's a Ghana did you? It's a Ghana. Togo, where you Togo? Easier for more also pretty. Because of sun internet, now couple of people so bafo. Inti, Chroma 7. Your friends are Ghana, Togo, Cote d'Ivoire. At 7 African countries. No, for such say. Togo Kwame Chimejina, no one defend it, Sa Nkoform, no Monoma because Yanko Poduchi.
I didn't say, it is not about the number.
It is about the power of God.
Very good.
Very good. Where is the power of God to be? Because according to Jeremiah, or some priests of what Jeremiah 27, on Pomada, so that power should exist now. Then come on to me. You are saying, say, no correct. Say it, just say, Israel for the powerful, power some. Powerful ninety, and there will be some question because Israel for want to go defeat your man. Then it is powerful God. It's a powerful God. We are waiting to see him.
Okay, Luke chapter 1 verse 37. Or say, for with God nothing is impossible.
For with God nothing
is impossible. It is a young me why and as you say or Kenya. I don't just want to mean.
Okay, Marty. For with God nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go on the real lesson. You better papa.
And my boy, what the air passion is.
Or the air passion, sir. So the air passion, sir, dear. Maybe no matter just a cobna. Fridge, drink a woman, your passion,
but fridge no, what you say. Dear open piano, no, fridge no, dear woman, no, but the shell, son. Nembo, unsan, a bioma, unuma, obe book, a bio, one men, numwe, Tiano Papa Neja. Nti so koba no ho so wenum de ebu nipa na se ne wan di nam na sem so
wo ya papa na wo fridge si wo we nyansa sam wo papa na wo de fridge si wo na wo de price na shem wo de fanta shem wo de coke shem na wa ka tro be se kobna fridge no me de fanta shem coke shem pepsi shem ma san de price na shem wo no price na wo be wu any papa wo be yi price ni na fridge ni mu no de coke fanta na sprite e de gu mama namba no me no de wa ni nyansa.
Oh, that be so Cassidia. The Cassidia meant yes here. Because Sebi me call place like this, but modia dancing no more trim say even Bonia or your Boni cra once African Yamino and so correct a kunipa. Now and you know so dear
once African Yami kunipa is animating. Once a macato say so we can't give you once a man. Once so not your cast and yourself will be a bush and Bukuna Gani. Sandy many negative. The any evidence. Open for your Jagro or before you know when you're or before you're into one as
African Yamino.
Was it
Africa to me on Yami?
No running.
Our family of family, and that's all a young man. Oh, David, so we have to continue. David, Tissama. Oh, you for him and know you record that city and old Africa to me a bomb beer. Anyway,
what was that? Africa to me, I'm made a body. You need guarantee being you. Evidence in what TATD. And to me, you know, did some fun.
There's no such say is one Yamina. And tell me, say, you're inventing a personal property, which you video. Some way so you move. Say you invent it. Oh, no, what did he say? Like down maybe, sir. You were 8 years, Crawford, be from 8 years. To them, no, and you'll be a boy, yassi. If you say you buy, no, because what can you say? For every creation, there must be a creator. Meaning, say, Bibi or Hoa, a ye be in the buy. Say, Bibi or Hoa, be in the buy. And he say, so what? Just a minimum do buy. Miss Mo, what? Just a you that
is why we don't need to discuss those things. Because nobody can tell me, say, we are so no. Yeah, Nanko being a boy. Nanko they know they are a boy. That won't make sense. And it should make sense because if there is God who created this universe, then that God must have a source. And I'm not say I don't know you have to because Obi boy Yanko.
It's audience say and you be a to me being a boy say nemo a nipa bo na ebo nyame. Audience. And I'm say into audience say enye nyame bi na boy say nemo nipa and ebo nyame because man invent God.
Yeah, God was invented by man.
So na enye God ene create nipa na bo nipa na create God.
If I want to create future, I can create future. If I
Baby,
want to create,
let's stick to this one. Just say enye God ene create we say na bo nipa na create God. Just say man is greater than God in this context.
In this context, man is
and
greater than God.
again mankind is older than God. Just a nipa was as so answer na God never.
That be that website.
Say man a create God here. Just a nipa was answer na God never.
Your God concept, your God concept. Yeah, the God's concept representing the creator of this universe. Anna, yeah, they say Obi, me say it's a message say me jinyami bi dia. Sa nyame no, me personal property. The difference is you are the creator of the universe. You are the creator. Nobody knows that creator. And I me what GDA be say Antwa.
There's a creator.
That there is a creator.
What yet to?
Yes, sir.
What yet to say there's a creator?
Yeah, I believe in that.
And that's a creator also one creating.
That is why when say because I believe. Who believe it be? It might either be true, it might either be false. The creator nankasa minim, but minim say idea bia was source, idea bia wo obi oye. It creator no so why they create you. It
maybe sound.
Ya kase ye baby sa ye hu it anu njan na yanjin de ba boy hu. Me dey
say akwa say that Christo focus say nyama bia ho ye ntimi ntiase ye sunsun na kasa na betia enye
sunsun ba maka kasa sunsun na be fa mo ata say yankopon bi na bo wi ase no ti ya sunsun bi adu ba cha wasa de. No spirit will tell you this. No spirit will tell you this.
You be to yes after our topic we so but now betinya ma ye ho say o bebia wo gina say obi na ebo yase ananya obi na ebo yase o betinya ma bebia wo gina wa asenwe
say obi na ebo yase
ana say enye obi na boy
o da bi say
does the universe has a owner?
Universe must have a owner.
Enye must have does the universe has owner?
It has a owner.
You are sure of this?
I'm sure of this. How do I prove it?
Would you say universe no owner?
Yeah, I believe that the universe has a owner.
And you also believe that for every creation there's a creator.
There's a creator.
So who created that owner?
What we say? Me man, obi wu nipa. Ene nipa ye mobile phone. Nipa.
Never.
Well, say obi wu nipa and nipa ye mobile phone. Into mobile phone, bet me aka say, mobile phone, how did I come into existence? Mobile phone no we say, brain be na here. Into mobile phone be again say, and here she knew what, but mobile phone or performing duty as mobile phone. But the mobile phone reason go be say there is somebody who made the mobile phone. Into nipa na ono oye mobile phone no mobile phone be say and the nipa no ye mobile phone so why na here it sa question mobile phone ni be say it is useless. So we be say sa question because everything has a source.
Mobile phone it me be say question because only your mobile phone
reason because we reason, that is why we ask these questions.
I say we no men nyantia say yeti e bia be in a different topic. You be in a different topic as to the creator or this.
Is there a creator or there's no creator?
No, you know some different crowd. Now you call enedi no so. I Micah chapter 4. I say o man bia o nyami. Ana onanti o nyami di no. Eno na ye go so bisa ano say o man bi ana say nyami bi o ho o say obetimi abo wo connection boni bi enim. Ana ma bisa o say nti say China for say enomo ho say nyami bi ewo Africa ana say Ghana per se. Ana Israel for omo for plane aba Ghana aba sun san nyami na omo eboni.
What say? Nyami.
What they can't tell them say your personal property. What they can't but me personal property no.
So
and I won't say ebetimi abo nti wo person oye bia. So mo yes I no mo eboni.
So omoba how would they know the source?
So Bible consult
me.
Yeah.
Israel for what Jesus.
Maybe so. Say Israel for ba. So mo say wo sisia wo personal property ye nyame bi wo ho. Ye wo personal property. And na me sisi Dakoba. Me say Bible commando nyame bi ye good. And na me Dakoba me so person me so bi am besuma my body. And I was say me so me so pay me so me bien personally.
The problem is, being one personal yamia, or no do like Ruby. How do you know? How do you know?
Oh, Wabra Bone call you Wabra was so many. And I'm about to say, oh, I didn't know what me says, no, so, oh, Yami been a wow. And also, on a son, Yamino, Miss Omede. I never said, my Saboni being. It is Israel for Moba Ghana. Almost oh, Ghana, call ye way when your mother soon, the God of Ghana, oh, my Bonibia.
You need God of Ghana. Okay, my personal property now.
Personal property, indeed, the personal property at a year the God of Ghana.
No, abiding rules in Amedamana.
It is a Ghana force, almost more Krubiso, that was some sacro and Yamia. Almost my bonnet.
Ghana for call Krubiso, that was some sacro Yamin. It depended. Say, idea or pay Ukrainian, Nansakan, it is true, Nansankan Air Force, simple. The side of Bible, almost would you say,
David, women, yes, what in council, son, Yamino, and a bois. It is a member, Nama Yam resort in a Yamina Air Force, and a mina monsoon ye. I am in Air Force. How I want 2 years saying, how was saying, because a old personal property, a your dear, and a year Jumama. It is a member, I need Mamma Mia, never Gina say, and Yamina and your papa. Say,
maybe personal property. That's a year, mammy, that's a woba, woba. That's a area, my child said, I didn't say that here. That's a quiet 9 years. What was I? You was saucer. Saubakaya, Obakaya, Yanana, Yanana, last year you know so basso. But I said, oh, when you do your did, after all year, said me to me, over to the head, up one call fana, Saukaya. Very good. Maybe the other say, some maybe what 2 minutes and Mimidi. Now, who pay 2 minutes? Nasa, I am more to me. Simple.
Just say, and you 2 minutes, papa.
I don't mean a man about to me. Obiana, dear. Mijidian which didn't me because the Mijidino, Miss everyone, the other
Nanti, Sir Sophobit is a softful or Subempa, a Dinasare, a Omoko Israel, almost the Omo Honor, a woman, Omoko, so I said, Oh, my Bonibia. One say,
Omodiano. Your foundation, your Bible. The Bible testifies the power for every follower. It says every follower. Maybe the answer once I made my catch say personal property. Entire personal property, and no problem. But the Bible didn't talk about your personal property. I said no one away Jesus me tea. Yanko pon to me, or Momina to me some man.
Some catch Israel for no.
Okay, what's it?
Okay, Israel for no.
I saw Momuji Niji. These are from Jesus.
I saw say one thing or buy. Until you want more,
even Omo Jesus do Israel, Omina with me and Sanjari. Ya fire for them, maybe to me and Jesus by no side. Ya there's no for the other for Omo Jesus by no side. Oh, ya forget Yanu, where was a young topic as I know the topic in a branch.
Okay, I mean, yeah, many drag a crowd. Ebusia for a higher true telling time TV. I had a higher true telling time. I'm paying in the Como and a Bible commando. I would say, send me free and move back, so it means a bazooka and quam. T ampa or your Bible commando. I'm a what team can say only that. Ah, yes, a star. The cover. Mekana Otino, our true telling time a media way so. What I say, wait, and yet the first time and a year, and we so and yet the last one. Ah, yeah. Now, nobody I tell you, say, Menyacho say the open or no, say the open setup or no, Menyacho so onyan sa. Ti kakra. One more promises on buy Mbwana Dina no, but in a year. Data bundle, camera, and also your DSC and here your papa live streaming camera. I hate me streaming Facebook live and a YouTube live no. You better production. And then as to say, since I saw for no, Omo who you can say. So mobile debate and yet you bet me. Until the other say you're to a sound from as interview. Say that ye and they are until also. Where the interview, but church was a mo. What you say, or so the church was a mo. Now, yesu, Obasiamba, Obacasa, Annie. Now, the chest of Basamba, not so for a quotation. Ne, your horse so no. Yes, your man of quotation, chest, Jesus on your day, on babyum. Until so for Master or dream to. Already a catching us or by interview. Into on capturing the members in I say, on sharing a live. Into your sharing be sacco question. Now, so for on to me, Yanma. Members like I say, so for no, there is something wrong. What I say, until this is a new dimension. See, a person the programs na them. Echo do until what over timia boy with camera no. ye ne beje pa na yetimi ye production na de ye from studio emboa bebre ana so data bundle ye nyanka de bia na the new messages na de den eba nti akaba no afa ye YouTube platform so no am say mo share video ya 45 shares 45 shares but look at the people watching it Zongo Bed wa limit Zongo Bed say yenja we ye ne ko show ye nude picture onya nka ye naked picture bona de ebe to social media by so ye nyesa o mo mo social naked picture at to social media no ye ho so limit o views but all the message we o na message we so a na kakra na ye limit o views nti wetin say wa share but message no entimi ye den entimi go viral nti most sometimes no ye stream live eko YouTube we na ma important say over subscribe to our YouTube channel no Truth Telling Time TV. Truth Telling Time TV. Our YouTube. Or subscribe here. Then you turn the notification bell on. Ti abrebia. You stream live. You upload video. O sambaka. The same thing. Bible Commando the first. Our YouTube. O subscribe so. Open here you need to come on the channel no. Anytime you order the message and I say wako program be so say. And order 200 per o sambaka. Na oye we are obusua share video back from YouTube. Video won say very interesting and blessing and the moral say there. The moment you share that video now, or before for benye be there, I share. And also there. And also be share na obia everybody is being directed to the channel. Na you subscribe na you call him. Me ade me ka say say enye de bi na obenye sika e dey support it through Telegram and say Bible Commando we West African youth enye ni tambia ado benye sika se monje mo fanto data monje ne mo faje we enye de bia nti so otimi boa na YouTube we kakra ye ti ase ho na business sika kra infaso babam nti so otimi boa ye enne mfaso ba ho a ye insan ba bi so se ye pe camera manim se de meka no otimi ase ya ye insan ba bi sa se ye pe camera nti ye nkasa ye nya bebi kakra ho a ye betimi ato ye data nti na ye ka say teach us how to fish, don't give us fish. And son obet teach me how to fish no so or se menya bibi kakra de endi menya hode na san no so kwa kire me how to fish a na metimi ye ne ye nti mo boy with the data and the camera for now ye buildi ye sansu ye chi a oh afi almost e bibia be koso kama nti anwana ye guso yi ti watchre wasem bebre na mpese maybe so final question.
Okay.
Sesire watchre wani nyina mu no quotation bi so Bible bi kriye mu a kire se emremi ba you have for me group of 10 by 10 nipa 10 from this nation Ghana for 10 normal so Jordan ni ba ko na tare mu I will say Zechariah chapter 8 verse 20 to 28 23 Zechariah 8:20 to 23 no say emremi ba nti okala obi service na kanama ne
Zechariah 8:23
yeah
say asafurade seni
meba yes an kai tie for no bio say o matimi afre a contribute live to adwumedie no so what you see nti MacLeod Dawel or say hello house kweku fripon or say bro long time yeah ana kwa 44 say good job yeah ti o matimi afre no watch wadwen live adwumedie no so okala oh you ready afan kwa
Zechariah 8:23
yes
say asafurade seni enenemu enamalumadu a wo fi amanaman kasa nyina mu eba so yi de ni ba ko atade mu ano akase ya na mo beko na ya te se onyakopo enemo na etie
mo kan brofo no so mai okala in the building from Abraham Dodo.
Zechariah 8:23
in those days okay
In those days.
10 foreigners
will
come to one Jew and say we want to share in your destiny because we have heard that God is with you.
Minti.
Anya no kre.
Adentia. Anya no kre. One say in those days and they date you. Na Jew for concept be say omo wo Messiah bia Messiah ne beba na sa Messiah ne ba we are seeing na be hu say Yankopon ye den e wo mo nchen ya ko mo nchen science a wo de be hu ni asa bi de ba wen lion ene ewura mu mbo a why that animals no e be fi ene nipa abatena fa
Abem.
abem
There be. Say our Garden of Eden say ne jata na Adam na Ebe na nyina na ti garden no. Ana
to say wa wuchi
there
be you what we say
na waka say na system.
say
Garden of Eden a trace na ma yeti say Tama Yakopon bo Adam and Eve at the two Garden of Eden. None more jatana even in the Ark of Noah. Say jatana leopard and anaconda scorpion and na kombi.
Matthias sa concept we say ka say be kan wasama and every day I say what topic I be discuss wa Garden of Eden story na yan
me dey be man you ba dey be
Garden of Eden story na yan ko Garden of Eden story na Yankopon de Adam ko si garden problem data enya no kure ni sa Garden of Eden na your evidence me person mo hu sa Garden of Eden de na enya no kure na wo dey just evidence ni Garden of Eden no ya say bonsam knowledge of good and bad e wo de enu snake oyede hu good and bad na ko ka kire Adam and Eve say area ba ni mu ngoni na ni beti knowledge of good and evil no na e wo de enu ebere ben the snake odi sa dia no onya knowledge ko kire
ano say we did that answer na the man Adam
man quotation book kind kire
oh say trace na ma ya che say nya bibia na yetro
ayi bibia na yetro well I said so you from me for so for back o say Abraham shade Jew for no concept be say Jew Israel for no Yankopon omo Messiah bia obeba na Messiah no obefri David ebuchiem obeko no ma ka cho say Messiah no David na Messiah no obefri David ebuchiem na say aye dan David na
Zakaria no yenko
Zakaria dia no Zakaria dia no person tell say ebre bi ba we ask nimpa bebia nipa time abeka koso jideni atade ka say jideni yehu say Yankopon na enne woti na enne obeko na yakoso Yankopon say Yankopon e wo wiase na ye wiase na Yankopon adenti na Yankopon oye jideni
what choose sankrofo no say oda hyede na ma wo say yensua enfri sankrofo no nche
Yankopon wo choose Israel for no wa ba kan kire yen say wo choose Israel for ye be dem say ekwa and you apply logic and common sense. Say me bawo, me ti we, na me ka say meso mo bi na wa baje 10,000 Ghana wo wa. But o me mo ni pani di nchiro.
Aso bo bon dia.
Me bo ni pani di na chiro. Na mama wa ya we say meso mo bi na baje 10,000. Na ni pa na meso mo no so. Ma ka say kwada ko bo kwaje 10,000 Ghana bre. Say Yankopon ba ma ya kwatie na sam e we Israel for. Na wa ka kire Israel for. Ale to wa ka kire. Na ya mu say e Israel for. Na Israel for na chiro book. Me try me one dance say me na me president of Ghana me pa cho me am di mo dance say obeji me ma cho letter say me president of Ghana me pa cho me am cho based on my testimony obeji
no
and based on Israel for testimony say Jew for no Yankopon do mo na ebire bi ba ye nyina ye be ko based of Jew for na e kan how do I believe this
Ebusuafo ebeda mo nyina say say mo go so share truth telling time and truth telling time TV our YouTube nkomo no ye na ye di komo bebre comment no so eba bam say question bia enyamba edema opei no eno ntina ye ne sa ye bon pa so say next time no ye betu yensa afre opei Bible commando ene asofo baako na me the question amomo na nwa omoyi ano se de obi anim se da nokre na sifa na omoyi ano ti keep on watching through telling time and Wise African Youth our TV West African Youth TV our Facebook and Bible Commando our YouTube what you say ti ebusuam bebe edu ne em say ye ka say kino di mo concern sana French for Kano say kino di mo concern English be ka say silence means concern ya bia phone line say sanka wa wo question na say contribution bia na odi about life em say bibia e clear. Can I call a normal call? Yeah, wait me a friend normal call. Yeah, they too. Say call or WhatsApp. I wait me a friend normal call. Nti number no eno on 054 123 2463. And I saw the Ghana code number count plus 233 54 123 2463. Now watch our laugh our dwumedie no so just say we are making sure say enye tetentin what I say because enye tetentin ti open Konwa ye this is here from the beginning from minute 1 about this is o born tofa dey na wo ka kire
tofa ina na say ete say obi ahu ni say nyankopɔ obi eni bebiara ono o supply message di ma wiase ni pa nyara but yen nipa ye hu nyankopɔ bi ada but ye de adwen na ye di create nyankopɔ intime metumi create nyankopɔ sisi ase mitiwe me wo tumi bi a tumi ni bo me ho ban na tumi no o kyerɛ sama me mfo bi yire ma me yewe ni na no eye invention a wo ya akwala na edade program a wo yin na aka tisi say yin no adwen na yin ade bi a wo ya no eye adwen no na be kyerɛ say eye adwen no na be sa kyerɛ say ade na ye den and yet no one decided what is right. No one live you well.
You're your first caller. I want Manosu. See my picking mesh. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, Open. But you didn't be the offer. Okay. Dubai for one time. Okay. Okay. Yenti we.
Me check you phone na idi kind no. Eche abam bi mushi. They say be by now any P Black and Yahuda.
Yeah.
And Yahuda intiro me check you phone na. And the program na jump person me check ma dey kakra.
Yeah, also.
With the city. Religion there, one of the most deadly weapons of Africa mine. Now, Senya or soon party at damage your brain. Now, which will be a Ipano our computer catcher say, I will say, I want the movie I see a cry. I thought of that the Bible. And I say, Quran crash. See, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. It means, we religion by a crop, my crown, that woman, and even the movie, so now, what do you say? And I have a problem with it or something. Now, we say it will be a year 2002 crowd will come from generation of years. Who you say? Who will be a friend of some agent later? And or better is Satan. Instead of saying, I'll go for paying that what you do, yes. That's yin, papa, won't come. And I won't come, Baba. And I won't be an alternative as to say, you need. Now, you company at Kenya House, said Brady, the woman you pay here, in the house, what I teach you do. Oh, hella. You outside your cocoa. Yeah, Jesus name. I said, we are kind of saying. Nti
bibisa enye dwuma wo Dubai wo asem bi sei
waza now Dubai hano me come to say kumufu crew but who need to require from me yeah yeah serious ye na dwuma wo nti kwapo si o musi worship no enye sakwa na ye titete to ye zungu hono mo musi tembi o muko ha ye dwuma wo 24/7 Juma, you know, now so we are one, but I open that and yet share one. Long so Juma, and many years Juma. So, I will do the corner with technologies, and never religion, and yes, so, and yes, so, and I am in a car, you have been with Jay, yes, torn your corona, and I see you couldn't here. And yes, son is here, and you must start near the age of reasoning, we are the age of factor washing. Dear Mama, who will each what your granite and history. I'm in coma, Pocofalachi, and trauma, and your papa will be a you promoted that. Look at what you're going on. What is Sunday, dear? I say, you try a religion. You tell them how to defend the country, or you suck at the channel. You tell them how to defend the country. How to defend the country. When you're 18 years, 14 years old. Automatically, when you feel angry, I'm not going.
Yeah.
Who say when you future be also over. how about the police car, you know, open the waha, you should be questions. So they each other, to call. So, in never religion, never make Christmas, only commotion, and cleaning you, Juma.
Cleaning you, Juma.
My goodness. Yes, to sound your mom way, hand me helping dear, I've seen you actually get it. It's in the crew, it's in the by highway. 44/7, oh, Senior. More Senior, crew, a bit developing, crew, a bit developing. Come on. I'm not down, I'm good, you know.
And yes, I'm
one of the top country in the world. What the Ghana? Also, what one was also. I won't say what I say. Who can say what I didn't say yet? Nothing up for and I believe we have probability in it.
Asamo, open. Oh dear. Oh, experience. I would the can of tea. Mona Kakra, I almost send a message in our colony. It does it passes what me contribute. Say, Yo, it does it. That's it, pa. Yo, auntie. You know na wachre na dwen kama. Ewo we no tie am say yenyina yetie bi. Aha, we Dubai. O say aye Arabia country. Na nso na ohunu say aha no. Say dey afa no wake up wo ha no. O say oho no ohunu sa. Ti abusua.
Manager.
Ti ade sa da kwa. Ye be se yen tie wi. Ti akasa ye be toto ye nyama. Na me kasa. Na me pasa be kire me nua Ghana ni biala o tie me se. Ana abrotire ana me bra na akasa no. Wakasa kama. O kire se e wo no obiara ye training no how to defend the country. Me ye program bi on my minti. I don't know say wo hwe ya. Me kire se Ghana say ye doman na ana penifo person omototo oman ni omototo nyoma na mo say o say oman na. O metume declare say yan ye adwuma fa mo oman ni free. Ye nti obi aka. Eye structures o metume puti. Wo wo bi anko no krom a wo ha wo be ye adwuma mo oman no because ye nanu na mo abrochire no o mo ye adwuma e de bo oman no because won tumi fi krom be ye adwuma wo ha en fa sika no bu ata so sa fa nko krom bo abra ye ye oman no yi a wo mboa. Na ye puti structures o pesa wo ye sa na mani a ko ba so a o be ye nyam mo de fidi nkofo be ye adwuma for 6 months and 1 year na ya plan sa na mani na ye declare obi a ye adwuma e da so na man for 1 year eduana obedi ye de ba ma atade a wo be share de ba ma ye ba ma wo mba abai ba shop ye adwuma po man no 1 year na hwe so man nsesa
na hwe se o man nsesa ti abusa ayetam with Bible commando and I go so enne 101 with Bible commando Micah 4 verse 5 I will say o man bia nante o ne nyamidim na yeso ye be nante o ye nyamidim no eno na ye di na ho abobo ebedu sese na be bia edu so de ye du ye nimpa ye benim ti em say kabo kakra bi wo ye slide message na mu no eno so wo ho ye say wa CSF omo branded t-shirt cap and a bracelet na nyina available ope bia ofre 054 123 2463 osamba kebi what say the same thing ope computer laptop papa ope so use no wa kuma to ye mu a and so number no ho kama na wa free delivery everything they will do it for you. The same thing ope so customize wa t-shirt ope so customize no in a professional way ope so brandy o t-shirt in a professional way and also offer number no twemo ho na that screen also and also bibia be koso kama e dey amount after say through talent program ayeye this particular program and ope so support so 054 123 2463 and also osamba kan na kakra bia o de man no kitwa bi nso a na moma ye nyina ye tie ase helping this program is not helping God. We enye nyame dwuma na yeye, because me Jacoba enye me na ba bo nyame dwuma. According to Bible, Nyankopon so ba create Adam no ordin kan bo garden no e da duane sim ansa no bo Adam. Wan bo Adam wie se Adam bo no on si garden no there be nti nyame no on no so boa wo nipa se san nyame bi wo ho a san na dwuma no se den enkonti enye me na mebo boa nyame dwuma enye wo eno bo boa nyame dwuma ma nyame na no boa na kasa na ho. Hagar 2:8 say all the silvers and the gold of the world belongs to me. Nti nyame a dweke nyina ene damu ne nyina ne de me de na bede ko dia ko man jo anti eye nipa service to mankind, service to God, so we call it nti data and I say banded data banded and I say camera and anything wow say o the way support program here abetimi akona nim no obetimi eye e de man eye 054 123 2463 Baba Commando. Ye pese ye hwe wo tiri kwan a ye be hu wan
o pese wo hwe tiri kwan a Facebook wo search Voice Africa Youth wo search pe na wa like na we follow say the video pen kan no and YouTube so Bible Commando First wo search pe na wa subscribe na wo mi abel no so say the video bi ato wa na musaka na wa hwe ana afi so the best obi wo pese o frame no na mekasa ana say ga the marking when you can mbisa no question na question mi no person o frame na obisa and also 05411751555 05411751555 yedama say majibere ahwe media yesra mo so say mo mbambode na mo support the media because fameko eyesika sabi ana me bra penin kan no yan na Yankopon na wabo yan no all powerful according to Bible ya judgment yentime be yedum bi ama no ono kwa say obi e no betima bi ama no nti yan no de ye no menyem wo ye wonfa so ene ye mma ye kire mma wonfa so nti se ye de ebre betena a mompoa na yenya data ene bills won data na bills ene good cameras a ebe bo dwumedi no na yetumi akoyenim se de ye nuanim bi ko yenim yeso akoyenim na ye de message na ba momo na mate ade na se na mo so kire wo nua bi a wetuma kire na wate ase yi ye de mase se ma hwa ye nti ebe de bi amopani
Yo. See, hwefo na tiefo yedamo nyina ase se motimi nyambre from the beginning. Abedu sam pepe so we. Ti yam se penya yeti na kande of the Bible Commando. Ana me a wotimi ka so me di sister Jacoba. Wetimi a following our Facebook and YouTube. Na bibia enko yenti yense me bebre. Yede won besi ha na yada opena se yetu yensa from no. Oje yeso a oba na ebetwitwi nkomo. Yede ne beba da foforo so be make sure say ye benya sofo bako bi so aka na ho adaba dem ha na ye bi so mo nyina question bako na etuma commando na sofo no na ehun hawa obi abe dem ebe ya no ti edamase o kala so oso yeda se paase o de support edita commando echi a bibia ekoye kakran yes kakran na akukọ da nunsu yen kasa bebre yedamase for the support we have given mo aboa ye previous na nyina no hwe enye na nyina ye beka no oti asenti wa spend penny in this course bia no we say ayiko a big thanks to you through telling time brain at work edamase ye besensia bye bye.